Welcome to Teach Yourself Something. Making friends can be a challenging but rewarding experience. Here are some tips that may help you make new friends. Find common interests. One way to connect with others is to find activities or hobbies that you both enjoy. Consider joining a club or group that aligns with your interests, or try volunteering for a cause that you care about. Be open and approachable. It can be intimidating to start a conversation with someone new, but remember that most people are open to making friends and are willing to engage in conversation. Make an effort to keep in touch. Once you have made a connection with someone, be sure to follow up and make an effort to stay in touch. This could be as simple as sending a message or inviting the person to join you for an activity. Be a good listener. People often appreciate having someone to talk to who is willing to listen and be supportive. Practice active listening by paying attention to what the other person is saying and asking questions to show that you are interested. Don't be afraid to take risks. Making friends requires you to step out of your comfort zone and put yourself out there. Remember, making friends takes time and effort, and it's okay if it doesn't happen right away. Keep trying and be open to meeting new people, and eventually you will build a strong network of friendships. Be yourself. It's important to be genuine and authentic when making new friends. Don't try to be someone you're not. People will appreciate your honesty and will be more likely to connect with you on a deeper level. Don't be too hard on yourself. Making friends can be challenging, and it's normal to feel anxious or self-conscious at times. Remember that it's okay to make mistakes, and that everyone has their own unique way of making friends. Be open to new experiences. Making friends often involves trying new things and stepping outside of your comfort zone. Consider saying yes to invitations and opportunities to meet new people, even if it feels intimidating at first. Practice empathy. Showing empathy, the ability to understand and share the feelings of others, can help you build deeper connections with people. Make an effort to really listen to what others have to say and try to see things from their perspective. Don't be afraid to ask for help. If you're having trouble making friends, don't be afraid to seek out support from a trusted friend, family member, or counselor. They can provide you with guidance and encouragement as you navigate the process of building new relationships. Thanks for watching. We hope you have taught yourself something. Please like and subscribe for more ways to teach yourself something.